M&M, thank you so much for your patience. I know we have been asking repeated questions, and you all, I mean, have oodles of patience, love, and affection to answer all of us and clarify all the queries without getting, irate. That is a commendable thing. I mean, I have started implementing the same thing when my son asks me questions.
You did
Which
it.
is a big thing for
Nice.
me. And thank you, all my batchmates. It's a pleasure working with each and every one of you.
And about the course?
Oh, I love it. Tell me one that I don't.
So, what is your takeaway from the course? One takeaway
Uh,
from the entire course.
Anchoring, ma'am. I mean, if you ask me, anchoring, because what I felt is that because I was a subject when it came to anchoring, is it is an instantaneous process. Maybe the process itself takes some time, but once it is done, it actually works like a charm. Then you do not have to keep on working on it. And I am planning. I have a couple of people who have addiction problem, so I was thinking of at least seeing if it working with them with it.
Thank you all for helping me, practice on you all, have a good time with you all, and get myself refreshed with all the therapies and inductions that we learned earlier. And IHR, CHCP, everything. Everyone who meets me or everyone I know is studying psychology. Believe me or not, I'm telling everyone that कहीं से कुछ सीखना है, CBT भी सीखना है ना, अकेले तो यहीं से सीख लो. So that you get more tricks and more techniques to use rather than just one and you invest in just one technique. So I remember I paid in 2018 and अभी भी मेरे 2 levels बचे हुए हैं. हाँ, so one suggestion that जिसने अभी कर लिया है वो training level 1 का, do the level 2 asset so that you do not have a gap in between and there is a connection between your trainings and you can practice as well alongside. Of course, we have our trainers always available at the. They are fabulous. Just learn it this way and yeah, you're good to go.
Takeaway
Just
from this.
takeaway.
Yeah.
No matter what you do, it is not going to be wrong if you're just following a pattern. That's what I've realized. And मुझे अभी भी लगता था कि मैं नहीं कर सकती हूँ अच्छे से या मैं नहीं करती हूँ. But over this period of time, all of these 5 people, beautiful people, these souls have told me that you're doing good at it. आप दोनों ने भी बोला था, तो that has raised my confidence a bit as well.
Perfect.
And in fact, anchoring ने भी help किया confidence वाले में much help.
Perfect.
Can I go next?
Yes, yes. Please.
I don't know, I'm feeling very positive, and it was lovely to be part of the whole group. And मतलब आप दोनों ने basically जैसे हम उसमें hypnosis में नहीं करते हैं, guide करते हैं step by step. तो it was exactly like, we like, I mean, hand held a bit, and guidance also. So I really like I like you said something that I'm part of the family, so this gave me really positivity. And just say thodi anxiety hoti, like especially with me while saying goodbyes. So but I feel that this is like a long term relationship that I want to carry forward. And also I've and with everyone, anyone, like I'm always available. And I think one major takeaway that I love about this course, like I like this thing about MAP, that this subjective reality, which we actually try to lose focus. If you look at any other psychology courses out there, they all say it's a science, they all say it's a science, and we think science is objective. But thinking about it in this manner, and also the experiential hand-on learning and training, I think it's a brilliant plan. And even all the best to you guys. I hope this institutes become bigger and bigger, and so we will be the first generation like who learned from the ones. So I'm glad to be part of it.
Thank you.
For me, this is a life-changing experience. I was already into so much so much negativity around me, and that is why I decided to sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. Take
It's
it.
okay.
So that is why I decided to join something where I can help myself also first before helping others. So this is like a kind of I can now say like I'm feeling much more positive, and I know there is a solution for every problem in this world. So that has strengthened me from inside first, and and this course is so like there's nothing which you cannot use it. Like every step, every day we have whatever we have studied, we can implement it. It is like there's no waste in this. Like everything is in place and in order. So that is one thing, ma'am. And that you one thing you said is like everybody has their own map. So whenever something happens and somebody says something, then I realize here that person is thinking as per his or her map, and that thing is clear. So doesn't that thing doesn't affect me like now. I mean, I'm clear कि वो अपने map से सोच रहा है, वो उसका thinking है my map. Everybody has got their own map. So वो चीज बहुत effective लगी. Plus the anchoring part is like it's amazing. मतलब if you have that in your tips, so that's amazing for me. And I'm really, and both of you have like has become like idol for me. Every time whatever question we ask, you have answer, and you answer it like so nicely and patiently. For each query you have some good answer, and it always satisfactory answers. Not कि मैं आज नहीं कल या you're always there for us. And as Vidhi said कि later also if you need your help, so you people are there. And I really love each and every Vidhi, Ankita, Maushmi, Supriya. I've learned many things from all of you, and this is really feeling energetic and full of life now, mindful. Thank you so much.
Awesome.
Thank you. Thank you.
Who goes next? Yes, Ankita.
Yeah, so I think, like I mentioned before, this is something that I have been wanting to do since the last 4 years. And I had actually asked Inder sir कि कहाँ से करूँ, and the first name he suggested was कि you're doing it from Bombay, and get in touch. And that's how I actually wanted to, and I wasn't getting time.
Indrajit.
Yeah, I was, yeah. So I consider him my mentor, and he has been, telling me again and again, कि नहीं, this is from where you have to do. And I was like, ठीक है करना है, but I wasn't getting time. And I think the second thing that pushed me was, as what I was studying last year when I finished my postgrad, and I realized that everything is very CBT focused. Because I'm training to be a clinical psychologist, everything is so CBT focused. But from my experience from sir, I know it doesn't work. But if not CBT, then what was always the question that I would ask, and I would literally like people wouldn't accept. It's not very acceptable in that circle. So if not CBT, then what was it's always been my question. So that's why when I keep making references to CBT, because that's what we have been trained to do, but I don't want to do that. So for me, my major takeaway is the techniques that are other than CBT that I really want to use and I believe in, because these are things that I've seen my sirs use, and so I know where they come from and what exactly is the what can I use. So I have gotten a hold of that rope. For me, that is my major takeaway. I know what I want to do, because not CBT. CBT is not working, but what are the other things? What is a good thing I can take from it, and what are the other things I can implement? So I think that's my major takeaway. Other than the fact that anchoring, to be very honest, I never believed in anchoring. I have done courses. I have done EFT. I've done this self-help workshop where just for the heck of it, I did anchoring and I did the EFT bit, but I was like, it's not going to work. So when I started, I actually honestly started out with that, कि nahi kaam karega. But it actually did, and that shocked me. Despite my belief it's not going to work, it worked. So yeah, so these are the two things that I'm carrying forward. And yeah, I'm looking forward to joining you guys for level 2 soon. I would like to thank everyone else for their patience and their continuous support, and it's been a very loving environment and a lot of acceptance. So thank you all for that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Correct. Yeah. So for me, yeah, there was a vision that I had come here with, and I am glad that I came here because I can see that I'm getting much more than what I had come here for. So, firstly, I think this is the most practical and achievable thing which I'm learning here. It's very user friendly. So even the clients, I'm sure when I'm going to talk to the clients, I know that I am going to make them come to their goals. Like I know that I feel confident because the practice sessions that we have gone through were really amazing. Like I really thoroughly enjoyed them and made me more confident as a person. Like it's not like any other course, like where you go and you're just learning something and coming out of it, and you don't know whether you'll be able to walk through it or run your clients through it. But this one session, one level, I know even doing the one level, I feel confident enough. So this is one thing I feel. It's very comprehensive. So all that you've talked about, putting up, bringing different concepts from various fields, I could actually see it happen. So for me, it's wonderful. It's like groundbreaking, actually, what you people are doing here. And so I was coming to, the course being very well organized, like having the practice sessions and then the post module. Like I've never seen this organized course anywhere. So I just love the way it is organized. And yes, the possibility of using all these models and whatever I've learned here, like it's enormous. And I think it's huge. Like the potential is huge. So that is one. And yeah, of course, you trainers have been so passionate, and so like your knowledge has really added up to all that we're going to take from here. So it's amazing. So my takeaway from this course is like, asking the right questions, planning well, and knowing how to execute, all of which was a part of this course. So yeah, as I said, it's comprehensive. That's my takeaway from this. And I'm looking forward to being enlightened more in the next sessions. And my gratitude here from the depth of my heart to all my colleagues here. So it was wonderful working with you all, especially Ankita, because I've spent a lot of time with her. So thank you so much.
I just want to add a little something that I just love whenever someone asked a question, and especially Nidhi. I mean, we had such similar questions at times, and so thanks for just adding on to knowledge through extra questions also. So that also in a way.
I wanted to say this for you, Vidhi, because I'm always hesitant when it comes to asking questions. So whenever there was some session and आप बोलते हो कि चलो question पूछो, so I know Vidhi is the first one on the list of questions, and that कैसे भी लिया कुछ ना कुछ तो निकल जाएगा उसमें से.
So it
Thank
was,
you for that.
we were actually happy. There were
Yeah, this batch
questions
has-
from everyone.
Yeah.
Because in some groups there are some people who will think, and all of you were asking, and वो कभी-कभी थोड़ा time आगे पीछे हो जाता है, but we are very happy that you are asking, because that tells us that at least you are interested.
Yeah.
And then one more thing I want to say about, like, I worked with Moshmi for a longer, this all soft skill analysis. She was very helpful, and I'm very lucky to be with her with the whole soft skill analysis. I got a lot to learn about it through her. Thank you, Moshmi, for that.
Perfect. Brilliant. So thank you.